So first question is, for the circuit shown in the diagram, calculate first part the value of current through each resistor. Second, the total current of the circuit. In the circuit. Third, the total effective resistance of the circuit. Okay, and figure is this way. Okay, solve this and tell me the answer. So for the circuit shown in the diagram, calculate the value of current through each resistance. Current through each resistance we have to find. Suppose this current is I1, this is I2, and this is I3. Potential difference across all the resistance is 6 volt only. So I1 equals to V by R1, I2 equals to V by R2, and I3 equals to V by R3. V is 6, R1 is 5, V is 6, R2 is 10, V is 6, R3 is 30. So this is 1.2 amperes, this is 0.6 amperes, and this is 0.2 amperes. Okay. Now, so value of current through each resistance, first part ये होगा I1, I2 और I3. इनकी values निकालेंगे. That is the value of current through each resistor. Total current in the circuit, total current I. दो तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं total current. I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay. I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay. I1 है 1.2, I2 है 0.6 और I3 है 0.2. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 एम्पियर्स. ठीक है. टोटल करंट, टोटल इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस निकालने के बाद भी करंट निकाल सकते हैं. टोटल करंट, थर्ड पार्ट इज टोटल इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस. सो टोटल इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस 1 by Rp equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. That is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30. Okay. So that is equal to 30 is the LCM, 6, 3 and 1, that is equal to 10 by 30, or Rp equals to 30 by 1 or 30 by 10, that is equal to 3 ohms. Total effective resistance we got this. Second method of finding current is total current equals to V by Rp. एक तो हमने I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3 इस मेथड से निकाला. इसके अलावा if you would have, अगर हमको टोटल करंट टोटल रेजिस्टेंस यूज करके फाइंड करना है तो भी हम कर सकते हैं. सो I will be equal to V by Rp and V is equal to 6 and Rp is equal to 3 ohms. So 6 by 3, that will be 2 amperes. Okay. So that is equal to 6 by 3, that is 2 amperes. Okay. Is this question clear to everybody? Is this question clear to everybody? Just type a Y in chat box if it is clear. Next question, question 2. In the circuit diagram, calculate a total resistance in the circuit. CKT is actually the short form of circuit. Okay, B, total current flowing through the circuit. Flowing in the circuit. Okay, so the figure is this way. Okay, so you have to find the total resistance and total current. Both you have to find. So all of you try. So here, if you will observe, you will find that these two resistances are in parallel, these three resistances are in parallel, and the resultant combination is in series. Okay. So parallel combination of 10 and 40, 1 by Rp equals to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40. So it is equal to 40 is LCM, 4 plus 1, or this is 5 by 40, or Rp equals to 40 by 5, that is equal to 8 ohm. So 8 ohm is actually the resultant combination of these two resistances. Okay. Then another combination also we have 30, 20 and 60. So 1 by, I am referring the another combination as Rp dash. This I am referring as Rp so that there is no confusion. 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. Okay. So LCM is 60. 2 plus 3 plus 1. 9. That is equal to 6 by 60. So 1 by Rp dash. So Rp dash equals to 60 by 6. That is equal to 10 ohm. Okay. So if I redraw this circuit, it will be two resistances in series with this 12-volt battery and a switch. So, and this two resistances in parallel can be replaced by 8 ohm resistance. This 3 resistance can be replaced by 10 ohm resistance. ठीक है. अब हमको find करना है total resistance in the circuit. Here, this both 8 ohm and 10 ohm, they are in series. So the resultant will be 18 ohm. So total resistance first part is equal to 18 ohm because resistance in series are added. Okay. Then total current, for total current I am redrawing the circuit actually. Okay. So 18 ohm, then a battery key this way, 18 ohm, battery of 12 volt, and a key. अब करंट निकालना है तो I इक्वल्स टू V बाय R. V है 12 वोल्ट, R है 18, तो 2 by 3. 2 by 3 equals to 0.67 amperes. So these are the two answers. Total resistance is 18 ohm and total current is 0.67 amperes. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everybody. Okay. Question 3. What is the resistance between A and B in the figure given below? Okay. So we have to find the resistance, equivalent resistance between A and B in the figure given below. This is 10 ohm. This is 20 ohm. This is 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 30 ohm, and 10 ohm. Okay. So you can try this question. One hint I am giving. These three resistances are in series. Okay. So I can redraw this circuit this way. 10 ohm, 30 ohm, 10 ohm. Okay. 10 ohm, 30 ohm, 10 ohm. 20, 10 and 20 are in series. क्योंकि इसका एंड पॉइंट इसके एंड पॉइंट से कनेक्टेड है, इसका एंड पॉइंट इसके एंड पॉइंट से कनेक्टेड है, तो ये तीनों तो सीरीज में 20, 10 और 20. तो 20 प्लस 10 प्लस 20 इनका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगा 50. तो we can replace this three resistance by a 50 ohm resistance. Next step is these two resistances 30 ohm and 50 ohm are in parallel. Okay. तो इनका जो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन का जो रेजिस्टेंस आएगा वो होगा जो भी आएगा आरपी, वो और ये दोनों सीरीज में हो जाएंगे. दिस विल बी 10 ohm, दिस इज 10 ohm और इनका जो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन आएगा लेट इट बी आरपी, तो ये सीरीज में हो जाएंगे और फिर ये तीनों रिजल्टेंट पैरेलल में हो जाएंगे. तो ओके, इट विल बी 1 by आरपी इक्वल्स टू 1 by 30 plus 1 by 50. 30 and 50 LCM is 150, so it is 5 plus 3 or RP equals to 150 upon 8. So 8 1s are 8, then 70, so 8 8s are 64, 6 60, 7 8s are 56, 40, 18.75. ये 18.75 आएगा. तो okay, I was only giving hint and I solved the entire problem. So this will be ऐसे होगा ये. Okay, 10 ohm, 10 ohm और 18.75 ohm. तो resistance at terminal AB will be 10 because they are in series now, plus 18.75 plus 10, that is equal to 38.75 ohm. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, we took 20, 10 and 20 into 50. So ma'am, if we take 10,
the figure or in figure the combined resistance is the combined resistance is. So here you have to find the combined resistance only. Okay. Okay. This is 6 ohm. This is 2 ohm. This is 6 ohm. Okay. So tell me the correct option in this. In science and maths, both the subjects nowadays MCQs are also asked. So you should be prepared for MCQs also.
Ma'am, question is not
clear. Not visible. Is it not visible to anybody?
I mean,
Can
it's
I?
visible.
It is visible.
Not to me.
Who? Hina Limani.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, 2 मिनट वेट करो, हो सकता है आ जाए. Okay. So one more question I am writing.
Ma'am, C option is correct.
Who is saying?
Ma'am,
Hinal. Check it again.
Ma'am, D is correct.
Right, D is correct.
Ma'am, D.
Yes, D is correct. Some students are typing. It is correct. Okay, so one more question I am giving. If anybody is not getting, I am repeating again, you are supposed to ask. This I am also solving also. After copying this next question, I am solving the previous one also in case anybody is not getting.
Ma'am, option A, 9 ohm. Ma'am.
Yes, I heard. 1 minute, I am checking. Okay, right. A option is correct. Good. 9 ohm. A is correct. Hina Limani are also typing. Okay. So let us do these questions how we have done it. Here in fourth question, this both resistances are in parallel. So we'll first of all put the formula of parallel combination. 1 by Rp equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. So this is this way 4 by 6, or Rp equals to 6 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 2 or 1.5. Okay, ohm. Now 1.5 ohm in series with 6 ohm. So in series combination resistances are added. So 1.5 plus 6, that is equal to 7.5 ohm. So this option D is correct answer. Okay. Now in fifth question, 6 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel. We have seen कि अगर दोनों रेजिस्टेंस इक्वल है तो हम पैरेलल के लिए डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला पुट कर सकते हैं, Rp इक्वल्स टू R बाय N. R तो होती है वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, N होता है नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, तो ये हो जाएगा 3 ओम. अब 3 ohm resistance in parallel with 6 ohm. So 3 plus 6, 9 ohm. Okay. So some students are typing. Hardik is also typing 9 ohm. Okay, good. Yes, it is correct. Hina Limani has also typed option A. Okay. So this 9 ohm is the correct answer. This is okay. Are these two numericals clear to everybody?